Programming your key fob for a 2002-2004 Infiniti I35 is straightforward and can save you money. These models use a simple infrared-based remote. You can easily program a new or replacement fob yourself without special tools. All you need is the key fob, your car key, and about 5 to 10 minutes. The key fob operates on a 314.4 MHz frequency. Ensure the doors are unlocked and no active alarms are present before you begin. It's important to ensure that the replacement key fob matches the I35 specifications to avoid programming issues. A CR2025 battery is required inside the key fob for it to operate. Begin by sitting in the driver's seat and ensuring all doors are unlocked. Insert the key into the ignition switch. Cycle the ignition from off to on rapidly 6 times, but do not start the engine, ending in the on position. The hazard lights will flash to confirm programming mode. Immediately press and hold both the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob simultaneously. Continue holding until the hazard lights flash again, indicating successful programming. You can program up to 4 fobs using this method. If programming fails, replace the fob battery, ensure you have the correct fob model, and retry the process. If issues persist, a mechanic may need to check the BCM.